Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a shapes on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a shape in your Google Sheet web on the computer, I'm just going to show. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option, but you can't find any insert shape option here. So it's actually inside the drawing option. Click on this drawing option. Then here you will see option called shape. Here just click this. You can see, click on the shape option. Here you can see all the shapes, so you can just click it and just insert it like this, and you can just insert it on your Excel. So I just going to insert another shape here, so you can see how it's look like. Okay, so like a circle, and you can just choose the color. Just click on this and just change the color. So click here and you will see this here, the colors option. So here I'm just going to choose some colors randomly, and you can just place wherever you just needed, and you can just resize the shape also. Okay, so you can just make a copy here, and you can just make here, if you just needed a copy here, and just paste another thing. So you can, it's like a drone, and you can just save and close here, and it automatically appears here, and you can just resize the shape option, but you can't move. If you just need to move the shape, or you just want to change the shape, you just need to click on this three dot option and click on the edit option, and you can just change it. This is how you just create a shape, or you just insert a shape on your Google Sheet web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.